If you're tired of clutter taking over your home, you're going to love these Amazon finds. From smart storage solutions to everyday organization upgrades, these picks can help you save space, stay organized, and make your home feel more functional. You'll find links to every product in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, the MSHOMELY Bed Sheet Organizers, a simple solution that keeps your linen closet neat and organized. Instead of messy stacks, these organizers neatly store complete sheet sets in one place, making it easy to grab exactly what you need. They help maximize shelf space, reduce clutter, and give your closet a clean, organized look in just minutes. Number 2, the Storage MANIAC Heavy-Duty 4-Section Laundry Sorter, a game-changer for laundry day. With 4 separate compartments, it's easy to sort lights, darks, towels, and delicates before wash day, saving you time and effort. The sturdy frame and rolling wheels make it easy to move from room to room, while the removable laundry bags make carrying clothes to the washer quick and convenient. Number 3, the adjustable book stand and book holder, a must-have for anyone who loves to read, cook, or study. The adjustable viewing angles help reduce neck and back strain, while the sturdy design securely holds books, cookbooks, tablets, and documents in place. Whether you're following a recipe in the kitchen or studying at your desk, it keeps everything at the perfect viewing angle for hands-free convenience. Number 4, the Underwear Organizer for Closet, a simple way to keep your drawers neat and clutter-free. The divided compartments make it easy to organize underwear, socks, bras, ties, and other small accessories, so everything stays in its place. Its foldable, space-saving design fits neatly inside most drawers, helping you stay organized and making your daily routine a little easier. All products' links are in the description below. Number 5, the Cabo Deseado Shampoo and Conditioner Dispenser, a simple upgrade that gives your bathroom a clean, hotel-inspired look. The wall-mounted design helps free up shower space while keeping shampoo, conditioner, and body wash within easy reach. Easy to refill and simple to use, it's a great way to reduce clutter and make your daily routine feel more organized. Number 6, a Homde Clear Laundry Detergent Dispenser, a clean and convenient way to store your laundry essentials. The clear container lets you see exactly how much detergent is left, while the easy pour design helps reduce spills and messes. It's perfect for keeping your laundry room organized while giving it a tidy, modern look. All products' links are in the description below. Number 7, the Kitstorack Clear Plastic Under Bed Storage, a smart way to make the most of unused space under your bed. The clear design lets you see what's inside without opening it, making it easy to find clothes, shoes, blankets, or seasonal items. Its low-profile design slides neatly under most beds, helping you keep your home organized while maximizing valuable storage space. Number 8, the Storage Ottoman Shoe Organizer for Closet, a smart 2-in-1 solution for storage and seating. It provides hidden space to neatly organize shoes while doubling as a comfortable bench for putting them on or taking them off. Its compact design helps reduce closet clutter and makes the most of your available space, making it a practical addition to any entryway or bedroom. Number 9, the Aheaplus Rotating Shoe Rack Tower, a space-saving organizer that makes finding the right pair of shoes quick and easy. The 360-degree rotating design gives you easy access from every angle while maximizing vertical storage. It's perfect for sneakers, heels, boots, and everyday footwear, helping keep your entryway, closet, or bedroom neat and organized. Number 10, the Homykic 6-tier Bamboo Bookshelves, a stylish way to add storage and display space to any room. The 6 open shelves are perfect for books, plants, framed photos, baskets, and home decor, while the natural bamboo finish adds a warm, modern touch. It's a great choice for your living room, bedroom, home office, or entryway, combining function with timeless style. Number 11, the Thickened Clear Shoe Storage Organizer, a simple way to keep your favorite shoes protected, organized, and easy to find. The clear front lets you see exactly what's inside without opening each box, while the stackable design helps maximize closet space. It's perfect for sneakers, heels, flats, and everyday footwear, giving your closet a clean, organized look. Number 12, the Vacbird Vacuum Bags for Travel, a must-have for packing more while taking up less space. These vacuum storage bags compress clothes, jackets, blankets, and other bulky items, helping you fit more into your suitcase or closet. They're perfect for vacations, business trips, moving, or storing seasonal clothing, keeping everything organized and protected. All products' links are in the description below. Number 13, the Accordian File Organizer Tote, a smart way to keep important documents organized and easy to access. With multiple expanding compartments, it's perfect for storing bills, tax documents, school papers, receipts, and office files. The sturdy handles make it easy to carry, making it a great choice for home, work, or on the go. Number 14, the Vtopmart 4-pack stackable storage drawers, a simple way to maximize storage in your kitchen, bathroom, pantry, or closet. The clear drawers let you see everything at a glance, while the stackable design helps make the most of vertical space. They're perfect for organizing snacks, toiletries, makeup, cleaning supplies, and other everyday essentials, keeping everything neat and easy to find. Number 15, the ArtBin Super Satchel 1 Compartment Box, a durable storage case designed to keep your supplies protected and organized. It's perfect for craft materials, sewing supplies, office essentials, photos, tools, and hobby items. The secure latching lid keeps everything safely in place, while the stackable design makes it easy to organize your storage space. Number 16, the Laiensia Double Rod Garment Rack, a practical storage solution that gives you extra hanging space wherever you need it. The double rod design lets you organize more clothes while keeping everything neat, wrinkle-free, and easy to access. It's perfect for bedrooms, laundry rooms, walk-in closets, or guest rooms, and the bottom shelf provides extra space for shoes, boxes, or storage bins. Number 17, the LEYAOYAO Cube Bookshelf, a stylish storage solution that helps you organize your space while adding a modern touch. The open cube shelves are perfect for books, decorative baskets, family photos, plants, and collectibles, making it easy to personalize any room. Whether it's in your living room, bedroom, home office, or entryway, this bookshelf offers plenty of storage while complementing your home's decor. Number 18, the Evermagin LED Bookshelf, a modern bookshelf that instantly upgrades any room. The built-in LED lighting creates a stylish glow, making it perfect for displaying books, plants, collectibles, and home decor. With its sleek design and spacious shelves, it adds both storage and personality to your living room, bedroom, home office, or gaming setup. All products links are in the description below. Number 19, the HOOBRO Side Table with Charging Station, a smart addition to any living room or bedroom. This set of two features built-in AC outlets and USB ports, so you can conveniently charge your phone, tablet, lamp, or other devices right from your side table. The open shelves provide extra space for books, decor, and everyday essentials, making these tables both stylish and incredibly practical. Number 20, the Smuxy Sideboard Cabinet, a stylish storage solution that brings both function and elegance to your home. The spacious cabinets provide plenty of room for dinnerware, kitchen essentials, books, games, or everyday household items while keeping everything neatly out of sight. Whether you place it in your dining room, living room, or entryway, it helps reduce clutter and adds a clean, modern look to your space. Number 21, the Comax Futon Sofa Bed, a smart choice for anyone who wants to make the most of their living space. It quickly converts from a comfortable sofa into a bed, making it perfect for apartments, guest rooms, home offices, or dorms. Whether you're relaxing, watching TV, or hosting overnight guests, this versatile piece delivers comfort, style, and space-saving functionality. If you enjoyed these Amazon finds, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more must-have Amazon products, and we'll see you in the next video.